What's up, guys? So in today's video, we got ourselves a good thing, and judging by the title, you guys already know what I'm going to be talking about. So we're talking about time management. You guys have seen the videos. Time management, like I was saying earlier in the video. Well, literally a couple seconds actually. So recently, and by recently I mean yesterday, I logged my hours, exactly what I did during the day. Because a lot of us, I have a script right here down below. A lot of us ask each other, why don't I have enough time? There's not enough time during the day to do the stuff I want to do. And for most part, it's kind of true. But it all kind of falls down on what you do during the day. And we all know those videos where the famous YouTubers or this and log their days for the best time management. Here's some thumbnails and videos on YouTube, just completely talking about this all the time, saying, "Oh, I time crunched during the day to see what I could accomplish in just one day." Like those type of videos. You guys know what I'm talking about, because I watch those videos and you watch those videos. So, bought myself a little book, or a little notebook thingy that I got from Walmart, and decided to write down what I did all yesterday. As you can see, well, a whole bunch of scribbles. That's all you can see because it's a tiny notebook. I can guarantee you that I write better than this. Trust me, my writing is better. Okay, but yeah, definitely wrote this during the day yesterday. I had an idea, an epiphany. I was like, let me do this yesterday and make a video out of it for today's video or this week's video. And I'll just put in in actual words that you can read on screen right now. Just do a little report of my day in the life, and it starts as it goes. You know what I'm saying? So first at 8 a.m. I woke up, brushed my teeth, did this and that, which took me about 30 minutes. And then this is where we go downhill. I started playing video games all the way from 9, or we can just say 8 to 10 a.m. Worked out at 11. So I started working out from 10 to 11, working out. Took me a good hour. And then finally I decided to eat breakfast at 11. It took me 30 minutes, so to 11:30 a.m. And then at 12 p.m., this is where half of the day is already gone. And I've only done one productive thing, which was working out and eating, obviously, because, breakfast is the most important meal of the day. So I did that. And then we're going to the afternoon now. 12 p.m. went to a store to buy some light bulbs for my car, which is going to be another video for my car channel. So that's productive as well. So far we've only done 3 things that are productive. At 1 p.m. I started working on video editing, which was a video for the car channel of the headlight bulbs. And then at 1:54 p.m. I finished making that video and uploaded it to YouTube. So FredWriter, thefredwriter.com, YouTube or whatever. And then at 2 p.m. I started making a TikTok skit. I'm trying to get into TikTok mainly because I can make any type of videos there, and it's just got to be like 30 seconds long or 10 seconds long at most. So I made a video. Went to go pick up my sister as well at 2 p.m. because she gets out of school at 2. Ate lunch at 3 p.m. At 4 p.m. I uploaded a TikTok video because I had to go to the clinic, the doctor's office, and drop off my cousin there. It's one of those things that stuff that you do during the day that are just errands. I was running errands. So 5 p.m. I ate dinner. 6 p.m. went outside, just to see the sunset, pretty much. 7 p.m. went to the fair. There's a fair that came this week in town. Finally got home at 9 p.m. Showered. And 10, I ate dinner again because I was pretty hungry from the fair. At 11 to 12, I pretty much just watched TV and went to sleep at 12. As you can see, definitely all over the place. But it's one of those things. I'm a normal human, normal human being that has to do errands around the day. But there's a lot. Yeah, as you can see from the afternoon, let's say that in the evening is 3 p.m. Around 3 p.m. or 4 p.m. That's when I really started kicking on things and started going more productive during the rest of the evening. But that was only because I was writing it down here. I was noticing that I was super bad at the mornings playing video games and all that, and I said, geez, I need to tighten up during the day. So that's why I was so productive towards the end of the day. And my sleep schedule is completely messed up. I need to fix that as well. So a lot of us are asking us, why can't we do a lot of things during the day? And it just boils down to three things that I saw with myself at least, which was procrastination, not doing productive things like playing video games. If I was recording for a video game, then yeah, that would have been productive. But no, I'm just playing for my enjoyment, and I understand that you gotta enjoy yourself sometimes. And then finally, the third thing is overthinking. I overthink a lot of stuff. I always leave everything last minute. I'm like, you know what? Should I do this? Should I do that? Should I do it? No, you just gotta get the ball rolling, because it's like that one saying they say, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The best time to plant now is right now. So you're never gonna be prepared, and I've known that because I've been reading a whole bunch of books on my free time. I've been reading this book, The Way of the Superior Man. I want to do a book review. I have so many books that I've read about motivation and discipline, and they're just phenomenal. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So I did this experiment just to see how it felt to actually do a time log, and just try to control your time during the day, and it's weird. Let me tell you guys that it is very weird. Just having to remind yourself to time every hour is really weird, and also the fact that I hated it. I honestly hated writing down, because it's a self-evaluation instantly. Because you look at 10 a.m. and you're like, whoa, I played video games for 2 hours and didn't do anything till like 12 p.m. That's 2 hours of my life gone just playing video games, doing nothing. I've been playing Ghost of Tsushima. So yeah, it's terrible. It really makes you open your eyes, and you start thinking about the stuff you shouldn't be doing, because you're just wasting your valuable time. And I would do it every single day, but eventually I'm gonna run out of pages, obviously, and I don't think it's very healthy to just time log everything you do. Yeah, we're all human, so obviously some days we're just not gonna be as productive as other days. Like this one, like today, I don't really think I'm gonna be that productive, mainly because I did everything I had to do yesterday, and that's another good thing. I guess if you do it once or maybe, let's say, 3 times of the week, or even 2 times of the week, for example, Tuesday and Thursday, you log your days, maybe you could get a lot more things faster done those 2 days than if you were just to spread them out during the week. And like I said, I'll probably do it once a while, like I said, twice a week, just to keep myself motivated and disciplined and progressively working towards what I want to do in my life. But like I said, it's not for everybody. I would challenge you guys to do it and give it a try. See, do once a day, or just do it one time like me, like I did. And if you like it, hey, you just found the way to become a better person and work more towards your goals, because this really does make you open your eyes and just keeps pushing you to being progressive or being productive during the day. So yeah, I challenge you guys to do it at least once this week, and let me know how it went down in the comments, or just keep it to yourself, And I'm telling you guys, it does work, but I don't know if it's sustainable in the long run, mainly because it's just eventually, it's instead of being productive, it's just gonna be wasting time writing down everything you do. So it's more of a little guide, I guess you could do, and then by yourself you're gonna start thinking, okay, I gotta start doing this and now this and that. Boom, boom. You start time managing better without having to use this little sketchbook or notepad. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and that's all I have for today. And I'll see you guys next week. I'll probably be uploading a vlog because my birthday was Monday, February 6th. I am now 21. That's crazy. I started this YouTube channel when I was 18. And I know I haven't kept up with it, but I'll try my best this year to keep going up with it. And I'll see you guys later.